Just look how sneaky my wife is. It's my birthday and our anniversary weekend. And we came to drop her aunt off in Tennessee, and she had this all planned out. I had no idea. 3 levels of this cabin down here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Check it out. This is the top floor. Look at that beautiful scenery all across them mountains out there. Look at that. Wow. You can see all the way across them mountains. Beautiful scenery. This is where my heart is. I'm gonna retire down here. All right, let's go to the second floor. Oh, I hope all the bees are out of that.